Hello, my name is Bart McKendry, and this is my screencast for CS50 Project 1 Wiki. I will demonstrate all the required functionality for this project. Let's begin here with the index page. I've updated this page so that all the pages that show up in the list here have hyperlinks. You can click this one here to see the contents of the CSS entry. One of the requirements is that you can change the path here to enter another entry like SQL, and it'll go directly to the SQL entry. If you enter something that does not exist, such as ABC, you'll get an error message that that page is not found. One of the other requirements is the ability to create a new page. Clicking here will create and open up the new page form. Let's enter an entry here for Flask. And I'll paste in the contents I want for that. When you click Save, it'll take you to the Flask entry. You'll notice that the title of the tab is Flask up here. If you go back to the home page, you'll notice that Flask has been added. If you try to create a page for something that already exists, just any junk there, and save, you'll now get an error message that the page already exists. Another feature is the ability to edit an existing page. For example, we could edit our SQL page here. There's a link here that you can click that'll take you to the edit ability. We'll add a couple of periods here at the end and save that. And you'll see that it takes you right back to the entry with the additions made there. Another feature is to go to a random page. Clicking here, you can see that it'll cycle through all of the pages randomly. I think that's demonstrated most of them. And another feature is the markdown capability. When you edit something like the Django entry, you can see that it has a hyperlink here for Python. When you edit it, you're editing the markdown content here. You can see that here is the link, the markdown link for Python, which is wiki/python. But when you save it, it'll save it as markdown in the file, but it will display it as HTML here, so that all these links work correctly. So there's Django. Here's another one for HTML. That concludes the screencast for CS50 Project 1 Wiki. Thank you for watching.